Hey there folks, I got another knife for you. This one's gonna be pretty cool if it's legit. I think it's legit. So I belong to a knife forum on Facebook, and one of the members posted a link to Amazon for this cold steel Con knife. This is the cold steel Con. Here's the box. Right? Boom. Cold steel, everything, right? So he posted this and he sent us the link. And when you clicked on the link, this thing was going for like $12.45, something like that. It was something insane. And of course, all the people that belong to the Facebook group said, that's gotta be a knockoff. That's gotta be a clone, you know, for 12 bucks. I think brand new, this was going for 50. I've looked around. I see they're all sold out, first of all, supposedly, but Amazon has it. I saw it for 40. I saw it for 29. I never saw it for $12, whatever it is. I'll put the screenshot of, as of this recording, it's still available. But I bought it, you know, I took a chance. If it was bullshit, I would have just sent it back. But, you know, for $12.45, what am I going to lose, right? So I bought it, I think, yesterday, and it got delivered today. And here it is. Now, there's tons of video of this. This is just an overview. If you guys, I mean, I'm sure somebody's taking this down, but if you guys want to check it out, other videos, check it out and come back here. I'll put the link below to the Amazon. I am not working for Cold Steel. I'm not working for Amazon. I just want you guys to get it. Now, this is pretty amazing. What you get is this Tonto-shaped blade. Right? The steel's crud. It's AUS8, whatever. It's a beater. It's got this blue G10. It's got the Demko triad lock. It's got the Demko thumb stud. I think he calls it a HTR thumb opening stud. And it's on both sides, so you can be ambidextrous in opening it. It's got a baloney steel clip, but you know, it's solid. Lockup is solid. The triad lock works great. The thumb stud works great. I mean, it's just a good beater. 12 bucks, right? I'm always looking for a bargain, right? It's got a nice flat grind, right? There's the steel. This is horrible. All the logos are horrible, but what do you want for 12 bucks? 12 bucks. Yeah, I think it's on, I'm assuming it's on washers. There's no way this thing is on bearings, but it's pretty smooth to open. There's a little bit noise. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a little bit of noise. Yeah, I was just pleasantly surprised. What a deal, $12. Now, I don't know how Amazon, it's sold by Amazon and shipped by Amazon. You know, it's not like some other company. So I was confident in that. And then it got delivered, and I think it's legit. I think it's legit. If this is a clone, this is I mean, you know, the clone world, the knockoffs, they make them pretty awesome these days. But, you know, can't beat that for 12 bucks. Keep it in your pocket. Cut up some boxes, cut up whatever. Yeah, I just figured I'll share that with you guys really quick. Look at that G10. Really? Oh, it's alive. Look at that G10. It's very gorgeous. And that HTR thumb opening that's pretty good, Andrew. Pretty good. Overall length on this bad boy is 7 inches. The blade length is 3 inches. It weighs in at a whopping 2.4 ounces. It's pretty light EDC. I don't know. I think it's a deal. Yeah, I saw it when it came out, you know, but, you know, I didn't want to spend 50 bucks. I didn't want to spend 40 bucks on AUS8, but for 12 bucks, done deal. All right, guys. Peace.